Hey friends, today we're taking a look at the Baylis Harding Bathing Beauty Advent Calendar. Looked at a little bit and it looks like a variety of different scents in different ways, perfect for bathing. I think they also do a couple of other Advent calendars as well, but this one we're just looking at the bathing one. Look at the outside first of all, very pretty indeed. And on the inside you've got your really lovely design on there. Let's get this open and see what we've got. I can't wait. So also for my YouTube friends, I will leave a link below in the description box if you want to pick this up from the Amazon. But yeah, let's take a look. Day one here. This feels really nice and solid actually. Sometimes you get these advent calendars and they're really flimsy. This one feels really good quality cardboard, if that matters to you. This one feels like really good quality. So day one, we have Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit Moisturising and Nail Cream. There we go. Let's have a sniff. It's got a sealy on. Ooh, that's quite light. That's very nice. Yeah, it's not too heavy at all. It's not sharp at all. It's very smooth. Let's move on to day... Can you see it? Day number 2. Found it. Now, are you of the opinion that it should build up to be a fantastic prize in day 24? Someone I know thought you should start with 24 and work down to 1. It's a bit controversial. Right, we've got a little bottle of something. We've got the jojoba vanilla and almond oil bubble bath. Yum. Let's have a sniff. That's so nice. If you're a fan of vanilla and almonds, you're gonna really love that. Really nice. I like the fact that it's really dinky as well. So I guess that's basically for 1 bath, maybe 2. So hopefully there'll be a different bathing experience every single day for the whole of December. Let's move on to number 3. Looks like Midnight Cherry Hand Soap Crystals. That's not something I've ever come across before. Are you a Baylis and Harding person? Is this normal for them? Let's take a look at those. Soap crystals. Okay, that's what you get. It says dissolve into a bowl of water and soak as required. That's really interesting. Like a little treat, maybe a little pamper. So far, 3 different scents, aromas, which is nice. Let's go for day 4. So this one is Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit again, but this is a body lotion. So that's another one in that range. Lovely. We've already smelled that one. We know we like that one. Day 5. I'm going to say everything's in here really snug, so things are not going to be rattling around. At first I thought, greedy girl that I am, I thought this was a biscuit or a cookie. It's not. I don't think it is. What is it? Oh, it's a bath bomb. Again, this is in jojoba and vanilla again. Lovely. That's the same scent as that. Lovely. Oh, day 6. Another little bottle. What have we got? New, different aroma. Midnight Cherry Shower Cream. Cherry and almonds are my 2 favourite scents. Oh, that's lovely. That's really not. Sometimes with like fruity things, they can be a little bit like for kids. That isn't. That's more of a perfumey cherry. That's lovely. Awesome. And it's the same scent as that one. Day 7. Another little one in the mandarin and grapefruit. This is a body butter in the mandarin and grapefruit. I've never seen body butter in a squeezy before. I usually see them in a tub. How cool. Day 8. Got a pinky one again, which is another shower cream. Day 9. I thought the same thing again. I'm so greedy. It could be candy. What are you saying? But no, it's a bath bomb in the mandarin and grapefruit this time. Moving on to 10. The packaging is really good, I have to say. We've got the cherry again. Oh, moisturising body lotion. Lovely. Look at that packaging, how lovely that is. Day 11. I won't be fooled again. And that's the vanilla again. So we have now got 2, which I'm not upset about at all. Day 12. Oh, something different. This is Mandarin Grapefruit Bubble Bath. I'm starting to destroy it now. Day 13. This is a pretty packaging. This is shampoo. How lovely. I wasn't expecting shampoos. These are the sort of things I like to keep for holiday or travel when I'm going away for the weekend. I can pretend I'm fancy. That's lovely packaging. We've got a midnight cherry bath and shower bubbles. Everything smells so good. And it's a mandarin and grapefruit again. One was going to be in day 24. So obviously there's a pattern here. You've got the 3 different scents. Is there going to be something amazing in day 24? Or is it going to be the final piece? I'm excited about day 24 now. We've got the conditioner to go with the shampoo. Fab. Lovely. 17 midnight cherry shower gel. And then we've got some bath soak crystals again in the mandarin. Actually, these ones were hand soak and these are bath soak. Okay. Very good. 19, we've got bath milk. Okay. Very nice. Now we get into Christmas week itself. I've just destroyed this. Go like that. Christmas week, we are having Midnight Cherry body wash in the Midnight Cherry. 21. Mandarin Grapefruit shower gel. Another bath bomb in 22. This is the cherry. In 23, we've got the cleansing soap. I'm actually a soap user. I think it's just more, lasts longer. So yeah, I'm glad to get soap. Drum roll, please. Day 24. Will it be something outrageous? Let's look. Midnight Cherry body butter. I really like this packaging. So we've got 3 flavour collections. You've got the Sweet Mandarin and Grapefruit, got Jojoba, Vanilla and Almond, and the Midnight Cherry. I think they all smell really nice. I think this is a really great collection if you're a bathy person. I'm just becoming a bathy person, so I'm happy to get all this. This is going to easily last you a month. Even if you have a bath every day, it's going to last longer than that. So I think this is really fabulous. So I'm really pleased with that. I think it's a really good thing to buy yourself or get as a gift. So if you know somebody who would normally get a gift for Christmas, ask them if they want this instead. Just say, can I get you like a present on Christmas Day? Can I get you an advent calendar and get them this? I think it'd be lovely. I'd be happy. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope that's been helpful. I'll see you again.